Matapos ang kilakilabot na persahang pag-atake ng China Coast Guard, tahimik pa rin si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. May binubuo ba tong planong pag-atake laban sa mga Chinese? Kausap na ba ni PBBM ang US para sa Mutual Defense Treaty? Wala pa ngang opisyal na balita dyan. Pero ang Chinese Foreign Ministry di pa rin tapos. Pinagbantaan pa tayo. Di lang daw yan ang matitikman ng Pilipinas pag pinagpatuloy ang provocation sa kanilang teritoryo. Ang aksyon raw ng China ay legal. Binangga ng Pilipinas ang Chinese Maritime Militia, gumanti lang raw ang China.
对方的船只不仅夹带建筑材料，还偷运武器装备，故意冲撞中方的船只，非人员还对中方的执法人员泼水、投掷物品等。有关的做法明显加剧了海上的紧张局势，严重威胁中方人员和船只的安全。中方依法采取必要措施，维护自身主权，合法合理，专业克制，无可非议。中方敦促菲方立即停止海上的侵权挑衅，否则后果自负。
Pero di lang China ang nagbanta pabalik. Nagsalita na rin ang Pentagon at US State Department tungkol sa brutal na pag-atake. Pag ipinagpatuloy raw ng China ang gantong klaseng aksyon, nagbabala ang Pentagon na mas lalala pa at lalawak pa ito. Ibig sabihin ba ng Amerika manghihimasok na ang US sa gulo? Posibleng malawakang giyera ang mangyari nito sa West Philippine Sea. Nagkakahamunan na kasi.
Behavior is provocative, it's reckless, it's unnecessary, and as you highlight, it could lead to something bigger and more violent. And so we're going to continue to stand with our Philippine allies.
Our Philippine allies, the PRC vessels' dangerous and deliberate use of water cannons, ramming, blocking maneuvers, and towing damaged Philippine vessels endanger the lives of Philippine service members. It's reckless, and it threatens regional peace and stability.
This kind of behavior is provocative, it's reckless, it's unnecessary, and it could lead to misunderstandings and miscalculations that could lead to something much bigger and much more violent.
Hindi tayo ang unang magpapaputok. Binigyan din yan ni Philippine Navy Commodore Trinidad. Dahil pag tayo ang unang nagpasabog, di Pilipinas ang nagsimula ng giyera, hindi ang China.
Get into a shooting war, but they would like to push us to fire the first shot. Yun ang labanan yan. Understand Chinese thought. Papatol tayo sa mali. Gawa nila, pamingirata, pambabastos, barbaric. I call them a band of barbarians. And in the first place, they have no right to wear the uniform.
Nag-usap na si Foreign Affairs Secretary Enrique Manalo at Secretary of State Antony Blinken. Ang pananahimik raw ni Pangulong Marcos ay may mabigat na kahulugan. Maaaring may pinaplanong pasabog at US at Pilipinas laban sa China. At posible raw na ma-activate na ang Mutual Defense Treaty dahil dito.
I don't think that either party, I don't think any party, China, Philippines, the United States wants to go to war. And I don't think countries go to war unless they want to go to war. But I do think that China believes that it can continue to escalate without significant consequence based on what's happened so far. Secretary Manalo has already been talking to Secretary Blinken. That's great. They should certainly do that. But I think it should be sent as a clear message that further consultations will be taken under Article 3, in which they talk about the violations to Philippines' territorial sovereignty and its security. And how does the Mutual Defense Treaty apply? Because I think it clearly applies. These are armed attacks. All you have to do is look at these pictures. These are armed attacks against Philippine public vessels. This is what we've been talking about now for months.
Maghanda-handa na tayong lahat. Kung totoong itutulak ni PBBM ang Mutual Defense Treaty, direktang manghihimasok na ang US Army sa gulo. At malaking gulo talaga yan, gaya ng sinasabi ng Pentagon. Mas lalala at lalala pa ito. Ano sa tingin niyo? I-komento sa baba ang iyong saloobin.